What's up, guys? Right here we have this all black Oral-B iO toothbrush. This is going to be an electric toothbrush. This is a fantastic toothbrush. I was never really a big fan of electric toothbrushes until I got this. This is an amazing toothbrush. One of the reasons for that is because, as you see right here, it's got 3 different modes. I use the diamond mode. This is like the super clean mode, basically, for whiter teeth, as it says. The other 2 modes are a softer mode and a regular mode. I absolutely love the diamond mode. It's a cool mode. Another really cool thing about it is this little white bar right here. It lights up and it flashes every 30 seconds to ensure that you're getting a good clean for your teeth. So 30 seconds for each section. So there's 4 sections of your teeth: top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And then once you're done, you shut it off and it flashes all different colors to ensure and tell you that you got a good clean on your teeth. So if you guys are looking to get into this toothbrush, it's a very, very nice toothbrush. It also comes with a little charger that you just pop it right onto and it mounts. And then it lights up right here to show you charging. So if you guys want to check this out, I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.